right, guys, you already know what time it is. Just be prepared. We're gonna be camping all summer, so yeah, we're just gonna be camping up a storm. It will probably get up there like usual while it's dark. So yeah, we're just gonna go up for a few hours tonight, have some good food, watch a Redbox movie, and spend the night and wake up in nature and head home. The moon's already out. We actually made it to our campsite before the sun went completely down, guys. We're doing better. This is the campsite we chose. We've never been here before. Unfortunately, there is a fire ban in effect, so we will not be having any fires. We're just gonna get our bed set up here. There you guys have it. And we're gonna keep the bugs out for now. Hubs is over here working on dinner. Beef tender skewers. They look pretty good. And they're quick and simple. We're surrounded by stars right now. I wish you guys could see them. I'll post some pictures. Here's my plate. I only took one of the skewers because I'm not really a fan of meat. So they do smell good though. Yum! And cheers! We were talking about how much we spend when we go camping. I kind of go overboard a little bit, a lot of it. So we decided that we're going to do this challenge. Hopefully it's interesting and you'll want to watch it. We can only get stuff from the Dollar Tree to go camping with within a certain budget. And let's see what we come up with. There's something super simple that anyone can just go to the Dollar Tree, get some snacks, and head out into the wilderness and, you know, adventure. I think we're going to do that. Definitely a challenge. The other thing that is going to happen this summer that I'm excited about is solo camping. So I will be taking my car, Bella, which means I'm going to have to tent camp. I can't guarantee that I will stay in the tent, but I will do my best to not car camp the entire time. It'll probably be still a fire ban. I doubt I'll cook. I'll probably just bring something already pre-made, but I am bound and determined to do this solo trip, guys, and I want you to come along with me. That was so good. Hubs put up the lights. Welcome back to the Camperdan Cinemas.
Hi guys, I'm just sitting out here waiting for Hubs to get up. We don't have much to clean up. We're not going to be up here very long either. Nice, enjoyable overnighter. Definitely needed that. But I go back to corporate world starting tomorrow, so Good morning. Okay, so we are definitely not doing coffee time this morning. So we are gonna go ahead and crack our bang for the day. Cheers. All right guys, camp is cleaned up. We left it just how we found it. Now we're gonna take a little walk. It's so beautiful over here, and this is the first time we've camped at this site, so we're just gonna go explore a little. This is like a little door, nature's door. All right guys, ready to head out. So this is a site that we've camped at before. It was about 2 years. I believe it's my Mother's Day camp trip on my channel. Oh, the rocks are down there to the left.
Yeah, it looked like they changed the place a little bit. I don't remember that part.
That's an awfully big feather. This is really pretty. Somebody obviously took the time to do this.
I would camp here too. Oh.
It looks like someone was living out here. Look at these sticks. Somebody did those perfectly like that. And here's a fire can. Looks like they tried to make like little nature stairwells right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right now, we're actually at 8,000 feet in elevation, which is one of the reasons why I absolutely love camping on the mountain. Well, for yesterday's temperatures, we were about 35 degrees lower than we were in Vegas. You? Yeah, look at how big the lizard is.
That's huge.
We just stopped at the lookout nature enthusiasts.
So you can still see remnants of snow up there.
And as always, if you like these kind of adventures, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun and adventures with me, Tasia. It's already starting to climb, guys. We are almost back in the city. Just like I thought, it's 140